Hi guys, Rowan aka the Human Voice Box here to bring you another sound effect. This one is going to be a ruler wobbling sound effect. So if you're doing a scene where a killer's coming into a house to kill a half-naked girl in the shower and he decides to stop along the way to play with a ruler, then you can use this sound effect. Barrr, 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 barrr. And that will make the scene really tense and really scary if you use that sound. Drop another request in the comments if you want to hear another sound. Thanks for watching.